हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम अगेन माय यूट्यूब चैनल लेक्चर्स विद आमना। सो जल्दी से मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। आज की इस वीडियो में मैं यूनिट नंबर 1 इंग्लिश फर्स्ट ईयर न्यू बुक की इंग्लिश का पहला चैप्टर उसके आंसर क्वेश्चन बताने लगी हूँ। द इंस्पायरिंग लाइफ ऑफ हज़रत मोहम्मद। व्हाट वाज द वर्ल्ड लाइक व्हेन हज़रत मोहम्मद वाज बोर्न एंड हाउ डिड हिज टीचिंग्स चेंज सोसाइटी। When Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in 570th century in Mecca, now in Saudi Arabia, the world, particularly the Arabian Peninsula, was marked by several defining characteristics. Second question, who brought up Hazrat Muhammad after his parents had passed away and did they influence him? Answer, after his parents passed away, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, was raised by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, then by his uncle Abu Talib. Yes, they influences him deeply with their care, protection and moral example. Question number 3. What role did Hazrat Khadija play in Hazrat Muhammad's life and the early days of Islam? The answer is Hazrat Khadija Razillahu Ta'ala Anha was the first wife of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, his strongest supporter and the first person to accept Islam. She provided emotional, financial and moral support, helping him through the early challenges of prophethood and the spread of Islam. What was the significance of the first revelation in the cave of Hira and how did it shape Islam? The answer is the first revelation in the cave of Hira marked the beginning of prophethood for Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the birth of Islam. It emphasized knowledge, reading, and the oneness of God, laying the foundation for the Quran and the Islamic message. Fifth question is, how did the Makkah leaders react to Islam and what challenges did early Muslims face? The answer is, the Meccan leaders strongly opposed Islam, fearing it threatened their power and traditions. Early Muslims faced persecution, torture, social boycott, and exile for their beliefs. How was the Hijrah to Medina and how did it change the Islamic history? The answer is, the Hijrah to Medina was to escape persecution in Mecca and find a safe place to practice Islam. It marked the start of the Islamic calendar and transformed Islam from a persecuted faith into a growing community and political power. How did Hazrat Muhammad show justice and forgiveness on his return to Mecca? The answer is, on his return to Mecca, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, showed justice by upholding peace and order and forgiveness by pardoning his former enemies instead of seeking revenge, setting a powerful example of mercy and leadership. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और बेल आइकन बटन भी दबाना मत भूलिएगा और कमेंट बॉक्स में